So today, I decided to go over some coins and see what's bottomed out still. There's been some that have recovered. Um, a lot are still bottomed out. And I was looking through and I just figured I'd share what I've been finding. So Civic looks really bottomed. It's the prior support at 5,400. And seems to be staying pretty bottomed here for a while. I didn't find any news coming out for it, but checking on CoinMarketCap and see what I could find. So 14th of December, 2 days ago, maybe 1 day ago, depends if that's American time or not. They had some deals. INS, Civic Key. So it seems like they got a lot of partnerships getting announced. For different things. They just got listed on Huobi. Let's see what this price difference is. Huobi's been trading prices significantly higher than Bittrex as I type this one. Not bad. Could be a different demographic that wants to buy the coin. Could be supply. But I think Civic's probably good for a longer term trade. A long term hold. It's on Poloniex as well. So let's see the historical pricing on Poloniex. Just to make sure we're not getting swindled here. Yeah, about the same. Higher, actually. About there. Notman's asking, what's the utility of Civic? Civic is a identity coin, mostly Chinese origin. It came out and pumped around the same time ONG came out. So they're to do with securing your identity on the blockchain, and they do that in such a fashion where no one, like, people only know what you want them to know, and it's like it's hidden on the blockchain, kind of like Zcash privacy coin. They also use a privacy algorithm to stop anyone stealing your identity, and you just release what you want them to see, and then they have a way of securing and verifying your identity without actually knowing what the documents are. It's pretty cool. We've also got, those deals that are consistent deals that are coming in. I'm looking at Chinese coins a lot more now because a lot of them haven't recovered yet. We just had Quantum that shot up today, so I'm thinking Chinese coins are going to recover pretty soon. Just making sure the bottom pricing is the same on Bittrex as it is on Poloniex, so it's about 1,700 Satoshis here. Yeah. And that's by far the lowest historically. I was just making sure that it didn't have too much more to fall. Yeah. So it feels super bottomed out. And that was on Poloniex. I'm mostly trade on Bittrex and I was checking. It dropped a bit further on there, I'm guessing because it has more volume. So with that, what I'm gonna do is I think I already added Civic to my straddles. Let's check. I did. Let me make sure I set that up right. So it's 19. Civic is, so my lowest price is 1500 Satoshis. My highest price is 3,400. I think I could probably go higher than that. For my upper, let's have a look for some more support and resistance lines. So I put this one. Let's see. Change color, zoom in a bit. Probably about there. Let's make this thinner. So it's a lot of upside potential on this one. Hit there, hit there, hit there. Yeah, perfect. Let's get one in between, about there, maybe another one there. Even here. Cool. So we got a lot of upside potential. So we got the bottom at about 1500. Top is at least 5,300. Let's go 7,000 for the top. So let's set our upper 13. Take this. Let's just say 7,500 is fine. Like that, like 20% choke, 80%. I'll take that 80% choke away. I'll turn the trailing stop off. Change the maximum to 0.02. So at 0.2 Bitcoin, I'll have 0.2 Bitcoin worth at this price. Current price is 2,300. Hasn't moved very much, so how much upside potential do we have from the bottom? 200% there. What about from current position? 100%. Up to the top, 200%, 300%. A lot of upside potential on this one. Maybe even do a retrace just in case. So we started falling about here. Here, just make sure we're good. Yeah, it's probably the upper before. It's probably the maximum potential we can do, so 83. So yeah, I'm happy with 85. That falls right on that resistance line. If I moved it a bit, this one would fall on this resistance line. Can't see it's gone much further than that, so yep, turned off. 5% pivot. Probably change that pivot to 7%. 18. 12. So we got taker orders. One position is good. Not feeling super confident, so I'll just put it to 0.1 and we'll exit. see what other coins we're looking at. Cardano is pretty good, but I think it's pumped already. Bitcoin Gold, Stellar, Quantum's good. Actually, let's look at them this way. See what other coins have news coming up. And some of these people. Let's search a bit later. Waves. We've got waves on flow. Flow. What is flow? Lauren coin. Do we have it on Bittrex? We do. Cool. How does it look? Sorry. Let's check here. Flow BTC. Another coin that's fairly bottomed out. Not too bad though. We do have some historicals that are lower. So there, let's make sure. Yeah, I'm happy with that being the bottom. Let's get some support and resistance lines. Here, here, and here. Pretty happy with that bounce there just before we reached a support line. A long-term support line. We're coming up to reach this. That's pretty strong. Pretty strong resistance. It fell through. So it's got a chance to come up and break this. And it's at 850 now. So our bottom could do 400. Our upper we could do 1500. But what is this coin? Let's look at their website. Let's look at their social. Active Twitter. Brand new farm resort blockchain there. Beautiful new logo, which we are launching on our site on the 22nd December. What would you like to see from our new site? Hey, Twitter followers. Team is distributed worldwide with volunteers. Immutable records. Okay. Script-based coin. See what the website says. Ugh. So it's a Litecoin fork with improvements, new feature, transaction comments. These transaction comments are foreign coin. Nothing really cool about that. Transaction comments, decentralized applications, proof of publication, peer-to-peer gaming, no pre-mine, script proof of work. Do we have a team? Do we have a team? Discuss on Bitcoin Talk. 2013. Old coin. Couple pools, exchanges, social. See how many people are in their Telegram. Eek. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, probably not. Probably not. Not enough people know about this. I mean, it could be easily pumped. No, it's the volume. It's a lot of volume for such a coin. Might throw something super small at it. Let's edit. Flow, BTC. Our lowest is about there. Our highest is about... What was our highest again? 1670, we'll say. 1670. 1670, our maximum. I think we'll go super small on the maximum. Pivot margin, we'll go 7 on that as well. Turn off this. Maker, that'll go taker. This is gonna move super fast if it does move, so I want to turn off my trailing stops. If it shoots up to that, I'll hold 20%, and I'll turn off this to 100%. And turn it on. Actually, I might even go smaller than that. Just for fun. Why not? Okay, so that was Flow, Bitcoin, Bella. Remember Bella? XZC. I think MCool. 3 announcements for MCool. Last week we have 3 announcements coming out. Exchanges, product announcements, and more. That could be cool. Dent. Upload an Apple Store. I don't think that's on Bittrex though. Ethland. BitPay, Neo. Neo. Look at Neo. Blocktix. Alpha. Finalized before Christmas. Okay. Costs. Seen a little bit costs. Ran into UI. I wonder if they have, if they're on Bittrex, because I'm only trading on Bittrex right now. First, proof POC consortium. NXT. Like NXT. And GUP. I'll probably add GUP as well. So let me add them here. This. GUP. BTC on Bittrex. Oh, go to blockchain. Many developers. I like that. I like Particle.js. Pretty cool. I didn't actually finish looking at their Bitcoin talk thread. Make sure we're not buying something stupid here. Yep, could rebound nice. Charlie Lee should buy from me. I like Coin Cash. So it's got a strong miner network, which is always good. Well, good roadmap going forward. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that one. Cheap. Didn't spend much on it. That's cool. Cool coin. Find that. Civic, we already did. Gup. Match pool. Let's have a look where they're at. Alpha 3.0, previously beta, mainnet, Guppy token, and app. New improved pool chat, improved discussion chat, new real-time pool chat, private messaging, send attachments, request intros in chat, private message pools. Cool. Gup always pumps as well. First, not interested, that, not interested. Dent. I don't think that's on Bittrex. Imco is not planning on slowing down. Next week have 3 announcements coming out. Monaco card. I'll buy some Monaco as well. Bella, I need to check. So, Imco, BTC, Monaco, Gup. Did I add Gup already? Yep. RCN was another one I wanted to look at. BTC. Ripco has some stuff. Salt I wanted to look at. Salt, BTC, and Bella. It's only on Poloniex. So I'll look at it. And I think that was it for now. We got E. Interesting. Another one that's pretty bottomed out. Finding them today. The pink line there. Yeah, that really looks scary when they're bottomed out, but the best time to buy. Probably Still on that fall. That looks pretty strong there. Yeah, that's covering most of that. So there as well. Zoom out of it. So we're sitting on that resistance line. A pretty decent place to buy. Or at least start straddle. So that was 1500 to 3500. And then we put our top allocation up here at 85. So yeah, why not? So 1500 up to 8500. Yep, BTC. See, we're buying flow coin already. So we wanted our lower. At okay, that was didn't copy that. But anyway, 1500. Going for a moonshot on our upper. So we're going for 88. Why not? And our maximum allocation. I'll do 0.1. It's much as Civic. Do I believe in much as Civic? No, I don't. But I might increase the Civic allocation. See how it goes. Put it 0.05 for now. It's more than flow, not as much as Civic. Do small amounts until I maybe research GUP a bit more before I increase it, and I might increase some Civic as well. Civic's pretty cool. Done nothing for a while, pumped quite a lot. So where are we at? Change our allocation choke for 100%. I think I'll leave the trail on because we're at resistance line here, so I'll leave that trail on allocation. We'll turn the maker mode into taker mode, or both. Leave distribution choke at 20%. Well, if it reaches there, I'll be pretty happy. So I'll put that to 10%. Why not? That's on. That's on. 15. I'll probably turn that off actually in case it does go up. And change the pivot to 10%, I think. Oh, I'm gonna lag. Did my editor close? Yes, it did. 21 straddles now. So we're a taker, we're turning this off. One position, 0.001, that's fine for 10% on the pivot. So that will be 29.35 on the buy and sell. How is that looking? 29 to buy, 35 to sell. Yeah, I'll take that. That'll do. Leave that on. It's not gonna buy as fast. So we'll turn up the one position on this. So to get our one position, we do maximum allocation times pivot times, what am I doing? 0.05 times 0.1, 0.005. So let's change that one position to 5 to 5. That still goes off. Exit this. And see the next one. MCO. Ooh, another bottomed out one. I swear I'm gonna regret not putting enough money into all these bottomed out coins. I'm gonna feel it when they all start mooning. Say, I wish I put more into all of these. So, pretty strong there. Strong. Whoop. Strong there. Strong there as well. We do still have room to move down, and I like that we bounced right off this line here. I like when we bounce. Then I know it's a bottom. Here. And then our moonshot line, probably about here. Yeah. So yeah. Monaco is a good coin. Bounced hard off of here. I like that it's spiked hard and dumped. Don't like that too much. Let's see what actually happened there. The 1 hour. Nothing. Maybe a news article or something. What day was this? 5th of December. That happened. I think Bitcoin went on a run. It's brought it back down, probably. This movement's good. Yeah, this is good movement. So we want our lower at 42. Our upper. Yeah, put our upper around 0.002. And how much profit? Or how much can we move from here? Oops. Do this. Price range from here to here. Let's lock this drawing till 20%. Another 20%. 25%. 25%. 30%. So probably 10% pivot on this as well. Maybe do 7%. So that was 42 to 20. Like that. I could be cloning these. Probably make it faster, but oh well. Oh, there you go. Lower's already close to 42. Already set for me. put that 42. Put my upper higher. 15. Split that to. Why not? Um. 0, 14. Well. I bring my upper down a bit and just leave my margin higher. Turn the trail off for that. Turn these on to taker. Because I didn't clone it. I put 0.3 in MCO, it's fine. 0.3 is pretty good. Put a trail on. Put pivot. How are we looking for a pivot? Current price is 86. We'll buy 82 and sell at 91. Do a pivot to 7. Buy 80, sell at 92, 92, 93. Yeah, I'll take 7. Make that one position 0.5 as well. And turn that on. Check the upper. I'm happy with that upper. Yeah, because I did that just the other day. So I literally did 175% just the other day. So happy with that. 20% left to go if it goes up there. Pretty happy with that. I could even buy more than that. But I would need to transfer Bitcoin over to buy more than that, which I might end up doing as well. Cool, happy with that. Moving on. RCN. Repo credit. So, another one. It's bottomed out. Another one that's bottomed out. So, we got bottom there. Well, we could even move that up there and just call that the bottom. Oh, where's 650? 650 is a good number. Yeah? Yeah, okay. 650. Turn this drawing tool locked on. Yellow. Let's go there. Let's go. Probably go higher. Say there. Since we touched it here as well. There. Touch. And then probably about there. Hold up. Then our red. Oh. Well. Probably get one more out of it there. And then our moonshots probably here. So did this. How much movement was that? 50%. It's not as big of movements. We did this 20%. And we most recently did this, just 50%. So we don't have as much upside as we do with Monaco. Monaco looks really good though. However, this is a really new coin. Repo credit network. It's kind of the same as Salt. Similar idea to Salt. That's pretty good. Can accumulate in here. Yeah. So this is my lower. Here's my upper with a margin. Yeah, so 650, 2,500. Add that. And BTC. Do these real quick. Probably turn the trails off on this one so I can move faster. So that trail's off, and that trail's off. And 5% is probably fine, doesn't move very much. Change the allocation here. Go 645, why not? And our upper, pretty close to what I would want for the defaults. I'm gonna go ahead and edit it a bit. I think it's 1500. Let's say 1600. Things it probably could go. Pretty close to the lower, so I'll probably just do a 0.1 in this one as well. 2, 1. For that update. Ew, we're still buying Ripple. Coinbase news. I think the editor closed on me, probably timed out. Yep. 20. Let's go into RCN again. So we want allocation choke on 100%. We don't want to choke it. Maximum 0.1. Why not? Position can stay the same. That can stay the same. Oh, my upper didn't change. Let me be lazy and copy paste that. Turn it on. Oh, that's not how I turn it on. Yes, it is. And close it off. I'm happy with that pivot. Yeah. Probably. Pretty happy. 5%. Yeah, we're good with that pivot, probably. See how it goes. Cool, so those are buying up. Still buying Quantum. IRCN's buying. Yep, good. Probably gonna go on another Bitcoin run before these alts go, but then I can just buy more. Okay, let's look at Salt. Then we'll look at Salt and call it there. I'll look into Bella later. Salt's cool. Everyone likes some Salt. What did I do? Get rid of this. So, okay. Yeah, cool. Not bad. Not bad at all. What reason for this? Bottom line, pink. And yellow. Drawing tool, probably there. Oh. Can I lock my drawing tool? Yeah. Whatever. Draw a line there. Probably another one, but there. Broke out. Yeah. For one here. Yep. Cool. Support. Resistance. Support. Around there. Around there. Here. This whole line here is good. So pretty close to the top of the market here with this one. But they do have news coming out. We're sitting right on resistance line, which used to be support. We've only jumped across it a few times. This was the Bitcoin dip. Yeah, on the 8th here. The Bitcoin pump. On the 8th, and we didn't fall that far. Bounced off this just before this resistance support line. A lot of hype around salt. So let me do a bit more in depth with this one. Let's do a trend. So what did we do? Trend was this to this. Oops, I did that backwards. So we went from here to here. Don't know if I want to count that whole bounce. How are we looking? Yeah, I mean, I can. The lines add up pretty well. Have a look. So where could we go? We could go here. We could go here, here, here. So I'll probably do lower, upper, just to do really wide on it. So that was 30,000 to 80,000 triple. That'd be nice. So BTC, taker. I'm probably spamming the network by not cloning these. Whoops. Oh well. Did I already crash it? I did. Oops. Maybe if that'd be easier if I just pause it for now. Oh. Close, pause. Yeah. Open 24. So, on maker. There. And taker on both. Salt. Do we move quickly on salt? No. Kinda do. Pretty volatile. Turn the trails off. Why not? Nah, I'll leave them on. We'll make it 1%. And we'll just see how it goes. We can always update it later. 1% trail. 1% trail on both ways. 2.3 on salt. Salt's pretty good. So upper and lower again. 3,000, 8,000. Nearly got the upper. Nearly got both actually. So 3,000 flat. And 13 is the upper. 8,000 flat. Well, why not? And 100% on the allocation choke. Distribution choke. Yep, good. 3, turn it on. We're gonna buy salt as fast. did have this big movement here recently. 30% movement there. Bounced off of here, obeyed this fib. Doing well. Also has big news coming out. Added on the 22nd of November and the 31st of December. Salt lending platform will launch. Launch blockchain backed lending, collateralized loans. So if Salt pumps, RCN is loans as well. So RCN should pump too. And Monaco is a card, so it might pump as well. Yeah, it's automatic for now. If you guys have any suggestions on what other coins I should buy or add, let me know. I'll take a look at them. That's all for now.